welcome to my channel. So Saraswati Puja is around the corner. So I thought of doing a tutorial on drawing of Saraswati Ma. So here I am with a tutorial of drawing of Saraswati Ma. So without any further delay, let's begin. So for this painting, I am going to use Canson 300 GSM paper. It is really good for watercolor, poster color, each and every medium. So at first I am doing a rough sketch. Clearly I have no idea what I'm going to draw, but I'm starting with the face, and one by one, step by step, I will proceed. And now you can see I have done a rough sketch. So the sketch is complete. Now we are going to paint. Yes, it is the best part of a drawing that I love. So here I will use only 3 brushes. If you are comfortable with only one brush, you can go with that, but I thought of using this particular 3 brushes to complete my drawing. So with the help of white, yellow and red, I have made a skin color. So if you want a little bit more fairer than this, you can add white color to it. So now I will quickly complete the skin color, and yeah, you can see it is done. So now we will proceed in the sari, mainly the blouse I am doing. So here I have thought of giving white and red combination of the sari, because I thought not doing with yellow because it is quite common. So here I will do the sari, but if you want, you can give any color to the sari. Is it as you wish? You can give any color, it will look beautiful. So now when my blouse is done, I will quickly proceed to the borders of the sari, and I am giving here red color to the borders. And I think it is looking quite blank now because we haven't given any shading and all of that. So wait, the shading we will do at the last, but for now we will give the base color to it. So now I have given a quite touch of pink and flesh tint color, and I will mix those to give a quite suitable color to our lotus. And here also you can give quite darker shade of pink, lighter shade of pink, whatever you like. Just go with the colors, play with them, and yeah, it is quite relaxing as well as fun to make. So now I will proceed with the Beena. I will make one brown color. I have mixed yellow, red, white and little amount of black. So the base color of the Beena is done. So I thought of giving some shading to it. I have given a darker shade of brown. Just added little amount of black color to it. So now quickly I will go to the hair, and for the hair I have given a little amount of white color to the brown shade that I have already made previously for the Beena. And now I will complete my hair quickly, and now I will jump in the ornaments because it will make our Saraswati Ma more gorgeous. So now I will quickly complete them. So now with the help of a blue color, I'm just scribbling so that it will look like something is written. And after that I will give some shading also to the book with the help of seeing that blue color and a little bit amount of yellow, because it was looking good, that's why. And now I will give some shading in the hair because was looking very blank. And now I will quickly proceed with some detailings because our base was almost complete. So now I started giving some highlightings. I have given the borders because it will define our Saraswati Ma more beautifully. It will look really good. So quickly I am going to complete the outline part. I will give some detailings with black color. and now you can see our detailing is completed. Now the last part, and which is my favorite part, that is highlighting. Yes, I love to highlight and give highlight to my painting. And for the highlight I have used yellow and white shade. I've mixed it and I've got this desired color. You can also highlight using white color, but I thought of giving this color because I was liking this tone. And as this is the last step of the painting, so I will also give some highlighting to the hair also, as you can see. And I am just loving the process. And the last part, I thought that the background was looking empty, so I thought of giving some colors into it. So here you can give any color, go with any bright shade. Yes, give some bright shades to the background so that your painting will look more beautiful. So I've used pink and blue shade. So one side I've given blue and another side I've given pink, because I love these two colors, and it was really going with the painting. And here is the final look of our painting. And if you have seen this video till the last, thank you so very much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot. I will see you in the next video.